This is a PVC pipe cutter designed for cutting non-metallic pipes such as PVC, CPVC, PEX, polyethylene, rubber hose, and similar materials. It is commonly used in water pipe repair, home maintenance, car wash systems, and general pipeline work. The cutter uses a high-lever ratchet mechanism, which makes the cutting process stable and reduces hand effort. This allows the user to cut pipes easily without applying excessive force. The blade is finely ground, helping the cutter produce clean and square cuts. Because of this, the pipe usually does not require deburring or additional cleaning after cutting. The body is made from aluminum alloy, which makes the tool strong but lightweight for regular use. Another practical feature is that the blade can be replaced, extending the life of the tool. This PVC pipe cutter is available in small, medium, large, and extra-large sizes, allowing it to be used with different pipe diameters depending on the job. A hacksaw is a classic hand tool commonly used for cutting pipes of any size. It works well on PVC, plastic, and even metal pipes, making it a versatile option for many repair and construction tasks. The tool consists of a metal frame and a fine-toothed blade, which allows controlled and precise cutting. Because the blade is thin, a hacksaw can be used in tight or hard-to-reach spaces where power tools may not fit. Although cutting with a hacksaw takes more time and effort compared to specialized cutters, it provides flexibility and reliability. This is why the hacksaw remains a trusted tool for plumbers, technicians, and home users. This is a miter saw. It is a power tool mainly used to make straight and angled cuts with high accuracy. When working with PVC pipes, a miter saw helps achieve clean, even cuts, especially when the same length or angle is needed multiple times. The blade rotates at high speed and moves down smoothly, allowing the pipe to be cut quickly and precisely. Compared to hand tools, this reduces effort and saves time, making it suitable for workshop use and professional projects. Because it is a power tool, the pipe must be held firmly, and basic safety precautions should always be followed. A reciprocating saw is a power tool designed for fast cutting in situations where space is limited. It uses a straight blade that moves back and forth, allowing it to cut through materials like PVC pipes with ease. This tool is especially useful when pipes are already installed, such as during repairs or demolition work. Because the blade can reach tight or awkward spaces, it is often used where other cutting tools cannot fit. While the cuts may not be as smooth as those made with precision tools, a reciprocating saw is valued for its speed and flexibility. For safe operation, the pipe should be secured, and proper protective equipment should always be used.